We are excited to release a new version of the Word add-in, the Knackly Word add-in designer. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of those new features that we've added. Now, I've got a new cover letter that I want to start automating, and I have it up on my page here. So the first thing is that you're going to notice is that we can now go through and start with the document that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my workspace name. You'll see now that it also gives you a login. It has your logo in there when you go in. I'll just go ahead and log in. And this is new, so you'll see a couple options. You want to edit an existing template or create a new template. I'm going to go ahead and create a new template, and I'm going to give it a name, cover letter. And then I can do it based on model. You'll see that you can select it. Most people will just have one, and so I'm going to go ahead and do company documents. Other thing is if I want to create it from this document here, just go ahead and check initial content from the current document, and it's going to have this as a starting point. You'll also see user access via app. So as you're aware, we have apps. Apps can have one to as many different documents as part of it. In this case, if I go through and say new, it will automatically create a cover letter app for me. Or I can select other apps that I want it to be part of. So if I wanted this to be part of a new client app, I could actually click new client and then create the template. Now I've got it. I've got all the variables that are available to me. I've got the document. I can start filling information out. So the rest, other changes, this is basically the same as what we've had before. So I can put my first name in there, copy it in, do the things that I need to. You'll see that we now have what we call a save button. So a couple of things that you'll notice that are different on here is save button is just a save now instead of the word save. This 1, 2, 3 used to be down on the lower right hand corner, and if you ever get an error message, so if I change that and I click save and I get an error message, it will say first name, this doesn't exist in field 1. Oh, okay, so I can click on field 1 and it'll take me right there, so I can fix that. So I can get that. You'll also see, so I'm just going to do a refresh here. You'll see the refresh has changed a little bit, depending on if you're on a, we used to have some information here. We've moved that up under this gear. So if you want to update all, you can update all. You can click help, and that will take you to our support website. The other things that you'll notice now is I can go through and create a new template, open the template, open the designer. I can also do help from here. So if I click open designer, it's going to automatically take me to my online where I can go through and have the designer online right away. And I can go through and open another template. I'll just go ahead and do that, and I'll just say open engagement letter. An engagement letter will open in another window. And so now I've got my engagement letter and my cover letter, so I can go through and do either of those. So those are the big changes with this. We really are excited to introduce this because of making it easier to go through and start doing your templates, adding them to apps, all from the Word designer. Look forward to you being able to use this, and please, if you have feedback, I'd love to hear other ways that we can make things easier for you as you're going through and automating your practice and making things better.